And we're back to learning HTML, and this time I'm going to show the subscript tag. It almost looks like our superscript tag, but it's SUB instead of SUP. It's often used for chemical formulas, so let me just create an example. I create a new paragraph, and I show the chemical formula for water, which is simply H2O. If we just have it like this, H2 and O are of the same size and in the same line, and we want to add the SUB tag to our number right here. Don't forget the closing tag. And now the 2 is a little bit lower and it's a little bit smaller than the other letters. There are no specific attributes or anything, so it's in principle just a formatting tag. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.